Hey there, my name is Sagar. Do you want to know how I got $891 affiliate commission in a day from ClickFunnels affiliate program? It is completely passive, guys. So I'll share exact process how to get it, and you also get this. And so before that, I would request you to please hit the subscribe button. If you have not subscribed, hit the like button so that it will help me to create more and more content and help you to grow your online business. So to give you a brief idea about affiliate marketing passive income, this is something I also started listening to passive income, but you need to understand that first you need to work on active income first. Then you can make it passive, right? There is a process to follow. I'll quickly share my screen so that you will have a better understanding about my earnings. Okay, this is my affiliate dashboard. I'll just quickly refresh it. And exactly 1 year back in this affiliate dashboard, I had $3 exactly. But the thing is, I learned it and I earned it, right? So what is the process? So I'll share the three step. Most of the marketer make mistake. That is the first step is they don't understand about affiliate product and they just direct promoting it. So this is the affiliate product I was promoting in ClickFunnels software. People think that I'll just get affiliate link and I'll just start promoting it. If I did that, I think I never get this kind of commission in a day, literally. So there was a process we need to follow. And you can see like because of that process I followed through my mentors, and that is how I got into like more than $7,500 in just you can say last 8 months. Yeah, that is very specific. But the truth where you don't know, that is at least 4 to 6 months I struggle to get at least first $500. That was actually truth. uh, Maximum time people don't share about it, but this is the hard truth. The reason I did is I'll share. The point is where exactly people struggle. Okay, I'll share. Now the thing is, what exactly people struggle, that is they don't understand about that product and just start promoting it. And bigger mistake they do, like promoting so many different products at the same time. So my suggestion is pick one product, which is one offer, one traffic source, and one audience. Right. If you make it possible, I think you can make many more passive income from this affiliate program. I did the same. I just focus on very narrowed market. I was thinking like it is very small how I can make money, but the thing is when I focus on very narrow market and focus on one offer, like not promoting in so many different offer, and understanding that offer first. Like I took one training that is called one funnel away challenge that helped me to get into this level. Most of the thing like why should I take one funnel away challenge? You should take because unless you know that product, how you can promote it. I made a brief explanation about how an affiliate, ClickFunnels affiliate should go through one funnel away challenge, because they know a lot of things about ClickFunnels, about Russell Brunson, and about sales funnel. Once they know the product, it is very easier to sell in the market. So I did one funnel challenge 4 times rather than say just going 4 different courses and just roaming here and there. I focus on okay, one course I can do multiple times to master that skill. And every time I did it, and it really upgraded to next level. At least once in life, you go through it, do the challenge, take your challenge. And I have my affiliate link inside the description, so that you can also get my support if you need that. If you wanted to part of my community, where I also help other affiliates, other people who wanted to uh, grow through affiliate ClickFunnels community, there is a lot of more opportunities there. Not only affiliate, if you are into service provider, if you are into like coaching, really it is going to help you to, right? So yeah, the next step. about traffic. So as I told you in the first step, traffic something people also try to uh, target so many different traffic like paid ads, Instagram, Facebook, blogs. Instead of that, going just focus on one. This is the power of one, guys. Once you understand power of one, go deep into it, you will have a better understanding about the traffic. And once you automate that traffic or something like this, then you can move to or add other traffic into your bucket. So focus on one traffic. What is my strategy? My strategy is to focus on Facebook organic. So I target uh, basically where my customer, my audience hanging around, right? So I just go and provide value to that. If you don't know how I do it, just check through my YouTube channel and go to the playlist. You will see a lot more trainings I have shared to how to get the organic traffic. Step number 3, sales process. Sales. So normally ClickFunnels says that do not drive traffic directly to ClickFunnels software. Instead, drive traffic to education. Either you promote drive traffic to one funnel challenge and books. That's the reason why I talk to like education is important for you as well to understand this product. So just if you have not started yet, one funnel challenge, $100 investment, you will get group coaching program, which is highly beneficial for me. And that's how I got started. And one of the best $100 investment I did in my life. Yes, guys, I did MBA. Still, I say that this is the $100 best investment I would highly recommend to you. So this is the 3 strategies. I'll quickly repeat. You have to have the product knowledge, not just going and signing up so many different affiliate programs and promoting it. Second, you have to have the right traffic. Just focus on one traffic and just go deep into it. Organic traffic, I would highly recommend. For even if for $1,000 products, high ticket products, still I recommend it. I have also mentioned some high ticket products in the description. You can also check it out. What are the good affiliate high ticket offer you can promote? Third is like sales process. First, drive traffic to education. Then once you referral brand, then talk more about like ClickFunnels affiliate, ClickFunnels, how to use it. It is very easier to convert them inside. Like that's where the passive income come, right? So to get passive income, you have to follow the process, not just outcome, just to make money. Start helping more and more people, and that is where you will get lots of passive income. I hope you liked it. Please subscribe and share with others who need to watch this and start your journey. If you have not started, yeah, check it out. All the details in the descriptions. Bye.